Good morning, Year 4. So just having a look for our GPS today, we're going to be looking at conjunctions. So you should know what a conjunction is. We've done lots and lots of work on them. So your first task, I want you to time yourself. I want you to give yourself 3 minutes and list as many conjunctions as you can. They can be subordinating or coordinating. 3 minutes. So pause the video, put your timer on, as many as you can in 3 minutes. Off you go. Okay, so a conjunction is a word that joins clauses together. So we're going to have a look at it in a little bit more detail later on, but these are some which you may have had. So, and, although, but, or, since, before, after, because, so, when, unless. You may have had more. So, for example, let's have a look at one together. And we're going to look at joining more than one clause. So, some people believe that circuses should ban the use of performing animals. Other people disagree. So, I could have there, remember, quite often you can have more than one. So, I'm going to say but. So, some people believe that circuses should ban the use of performing animals, but other people disagree. I could have put however other people disagree. I want you to pause the video now and I want you to do the last two on your own, and then we will have a look at them together and see if we have got more than one option. Okay, so you should have had a look on your own now. So Little Freak was constantly crying. Other people judged him for the way he looked. So I'm going to say because. So Little Freak was constantly crying because other people judged him for the way he looked. So here, if we just look here, we've got our main clause here. So it's joining two clauses. That bit makes sense on its own. Little Freak was constantly crying. And then because we've got a subordinating conjunction, because this gives us a subordinate clause. So this doesn't make sense on its own because other people judged him for the way he looked. Now remember, when we've spoken about this in class, if you've got a subordinate clause, it can come at the beginning with a comma afterwards for a fronted adverbial. So we could have said, because other people judged him for the way he looked, comma, Little Freak was constantly crying. However, this is still the main clause, or the independent clause. Because Little Freak was always being laughed at, he wanted to make a change. He made a wish when he blew out his candles. I'm going to say so. So, he made a wish when he blew out his birthday candles. Right, your task now in your work pack is you are going to read the statements and add in an appropriate conjunction. Now, there will be more than one answer, remember? So I'm just going to read them to you. I went to bed very late. I am tired today. My dad has fixed my bike. I can take it to the park. We are having pasta. Curry for dinner. I listened to the weather forecast. Put an umbrella in my bag. I will always support my local team. They always lose. The weather is forecast to be hot. Humid. My brother is grumpy. He has got to do his homework. Okay, have a go at that now. Right, for our literacy today, I'm going to give you the opportunity just to have a bit of free rein with this and do it your way. But you are going to do your planning in preparation for your independent write tomorrow. So our topic is, should animal acts be banned from the circus? That is our title. And then we want to think of 3 points because we're going to be discussing this in detail tomorrow. So we are either thinking for or against. Now sometimes people get mixed up with these. If we are for, it means we agree with the title. So we're not saying we are for animals being used. We are saying we are for the title. So we agree animals should be banned from the circus. If you are against, you don't want what is happening in the title to happen. So I have said my reasons for animals being banned from the circus. My first one says, it is inflicting unnecessary harm onto innocent animals for the pleasure of humans, which is unfair. And my first point against is, it is entertaining for humans to watch the animals. People wouldn't go to a zoo if there were no animals there. It is just the same concept. So we want 3 reasons for each. Okay, it doesn't need to be in lots and lots of detail because you are not writing it today, you are writing it tomorrow. But I want you to have enough to be able to use from your plan. Okay, so you can complete your planning template on your own now, in whichever way you would like. Also, you might want to do some of your own research. So you might want to go and find some statistics or some facts. So what percentage of circuses still use animals? Or is there a country where animal acts have been banned? Okay, because you can add these into your form and your against. So complete your planning template now.